The global caviar market is expected to grow significantly between 2023 and 2030. Its production process is a scrupulous craft, involving careful breeding and harvesting techniques. This is the most expensive food in the world. Caviar, a delicacy consisting of salt-cured fish roe, is primarily harvested from sturgeon species such as Beluga, Osetra, and Sevruga. Additionally, caviar can also be obtained from other fish species like salmon, trout, and paddlefish, resulting in a range of roe colors depending on the species of fish. Traditionally, black caviar from sturgeon species is the most sought after and is primarily produced in countries bordering the Caspian Sea such as Russia, Iran, and Azerbaijan. This region plays a significant role in caviar production, catering to global demand while navigating the complexities of environmental conservation and regulation. However, other regions, including the United States, France, and Italy, also produce caviar from sustainable aquaculture practices, offering a diverse range of flavors and colors to cater to different tastes and preferences. Due to its rarity and labor-intensive production process, caviar commands exorbitant prices, making it a symbol of luxury and indulgence. Workers may venture into the water to carry out various tasks, such as inspecting the infrastructure, checking water quality parameters, performing maintenance on nets or other equipment, or even assisting with fish handling during certain stages of the production process. These facilities are meticulously maintained to ensure the health and well-being of both the sturgeon and the surrounding ecosystem. Firstly, water quality is carefully monitored and maintained within optimal parameters to support sturgeon growth and reproduction. Advanced filtration systems are often employed to remove waste and maintain clean water conditions. Feeding practices are closely managed to provide sturgeon with a balanced diet while minimizing environmental impact. Regular monitoring of sturgeon health helps prevent disease outbreaks, reducing the need for antibiotics or other medications. After the sturgeons have reached maturity in the harvesting tanks, skilled workers undertake the delicate task of preparing the fish for caviar extraction. Employing precise techniques, they carefully transfer the mature sturgeon from the harvesting tanks to the washing area where water sprays and specialized systems facilitate the thorough cleaning of the outer surface of the fish, ensuring that it is free from impurities before proceeding to the next phase. The sturgeons are then skillfully cut open by the workers, and the precious black roe containing the caviar is gently extracted. This delicate process demands precision and expertise to ensure the integrity of the roe is maintained. The extracted roe is collected and placed into baskets, ready for the internal washing phase. This crucial step involves further cleansing of the roe to remove any remaining impurities and excess salt, ensuring the highest quality caviar product. After the roe is carefully extracted from the sturgeon, it undergoes a crucial phase known as pressing or sieving. The extracted roe is passed through a plain type of shredder or metallic web. This action separates the individual eggs from each other, breaking apart any clusters that may have formed during extraction. Highly trained technicians subject the caviar to rigorous examination, where caviar grains are carefully inspected using magnifying glasses to assess their size, color, and uniformity. Lab tweezers are employed to handle individual grains with precision, allowing technicians to detect any irregularities or imperfections. Additionally, microscopes may be utilized to examine the caviar at a microscopic level, ensuring that it meets stringent quality standards. Technicians scrutinize the caviar for any signs of damage, contamination, or inconsistency, meticulously sorting through each batch to guarantee the highest level of quality. In these aquaculture facilities, the breeding process is also part of the production line. The roe is mixed with milt obtained from male sturgeon in a laboratory setting. Feathers may be used during this process to ensure even distribution of the milt among the roe. The delicate nature of feathers allows for gentle agitation of the roe and milt mixture, ensuring that the milt is evenly dispersed and comes into contact with all the roe. As they mature, the sturgeons are moved to larger grow-out tanks or ponds until they reach the desired size for caviar production. Salt is added to the caviar to enhance its flavor and preserve its quality. The addition of salt helps to draw out excess moisture from the caviar, inhibiting the growth of bacteria and extending its shelf life. The right quantity of salt is crucial to achieve its desired taste and texture. Typically, the amount of salt added is determined based on the weight. The proper ratio of salt to caviar weight varies depending on factors such as personal preference, the specific species of sturgeon, and traditional methods of preparation. However, a common guideline is to add approximately 3 to 4% of salt by its weight. Experienced caviar producers often rely on their expertise and sensory evaluation to determine the ideal salt content, adjusting as necessary to achieve the desired flavor profile. It is carefully packed into round containers, typically made of metal or plastic. These containers are specifically designed to hold and preserve the caviar, protecting it from external contaminants and maintaining its freshness. The caviar is gently layered into the containers to prevent excessive compression, which could damage the delicate eggs. Finally, the containers are sealed to ensure airtight storage and are often labeled with information such as the caviar grade, production date, and producer's details. Other types of fish can also produce roe suitable for caviar production. For example, salmon, trout, and paddlefish are commonly used alternatives. However, the roe from these fish often differs in color from the traditional black caviar produced by sturgeon. Salmon roe, also known as red caviar, is prized for its vibrant orange-red hue, while trout roe can range from pale orange to deep red. In some cases, producers may add natural black colorants to the roe to achieve a darker color, more closely resembling traditional black caviar. This is primarily done for aesthetic reasons, as black caviar is often associated with luxury and prestige. Additionally, consumers may have preferences for the appearance of black caviar over other colors. Natural black colorants such as squid ink or activated charcoal are used sparingly and carefully to ensure that the flavor and quality of the caviar are not compromised. The addition of black colorants is a common practice in the caviar industry and allows producers to offer a diverse range of caviar options to cater to different tastes and preferences. One final essential step in caviar production is pasteurization, where the caviar is gently heated to kill any potential bacteria without compromising its delicate texture or flavor. This process helps to extend the shelf life of the caviar and ensures its safety for consumption. High-quality caviar is often presented in elegant packaging such as ornate jars or sleek tins to enhance its appeal and reflect its status as a luxury delicacy. The caviar is stored under controlled conditions such as refrigeration to maintain its quality until it reaches consumers. It is distributed to retailers, restaurants, and consumers worldwide, where it is enjoyed as a symbol of luxury and indulgence. If you're intrigued and eager to delve deeper into our production lines, click here to watch our next video. We'll showcase more of our meticulous processes and mass production operations.